Section 1.2.0, what is the world crown? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good rotation of the earth. May the peace of the Holy Spirit be with you. Welcome to section 1.2.0 of the World Crown Address, titled, What is the World Crown? The World Crown is a necessary intervention into the world to make public a pre-existing judgment of God, take responsibility for the same, partnership with the Holy Spirit, and maintenance the human condition. The World Crown is a business, medical, organizational, educational, institutional, religious, political, and government solution. The World Crown is instituted above the norms, laws, and standards of all governments, none of which hold authority over it. No person or group of people or judicial court of any size or extravagance has authority over the World Crown. The United Nations have no authority over the World Crown. To institute the World Crown above the norms and standards of all governments means that the World Crown must indeed be something very special. It is. The World Crown is the government of God on earth, an official institution of heaven. This statement, too, must be substantiated and proven by the Holy Spirit, who blesses the judgment of God to such ends. The World Crown is authorized by the Holy Spirit to adjudicate and publicly bring into subjection banking, business, education, religion, and government, with the goal of making all things critical to our lives better. The World Crown is authorized by the Holy Spirit to responsibly write about and define the judgment of God and help writers of history as to how history will again include providence and the judgment of God as the principal element in the establishment and reestablishment of governments and nations throughout history. The World Crown is authorized by the Holy Spirit to close out our current judgment of God and help to establish new governmental resolves among nations after God's justice is sufficiently satisfied and the Holy Spirit has made possible communication and a working relationship with each nation. If you are a new visitor to the World Crown, I welcome you. Please make sure you read all of our presentation, for it is important to your lives. Thank you.